Hello, and welcome to Sensavis. My name is Maria, and I'm here to guide you through the Sensavis visual learning tool and answer any questions that you may have. Let's get started. In this video, you will learn how to use the inking and whiteboard function in the Sensavis Windows 10 app. Inking means you can write and draw directly on the visualizations in Sensavis. To begin, pull up the content you want to use. I've chosen Raise. Click on the menu icon in the top right corner of your window. Left-click once, or tap if using a touchscreen, on the inking button to pull up the inking toolbar. You can now choose to ink using a simulated ballpoint pen, pencil, or highlighter. There is also an eraser and ruler. Click on the tool you want to use, for example, the ballpoint pen. Now you can draw using the ballpoint pen. Click on the tool again to select a different color. Change the pen size by dragging the toggle to the left or right. The same applies to the pencil and highlighter. Now you can also see the different types of marks made by the different tools. To erase a stroke, select the eraser tool. Click and drag over the stroke you want to erase. We can also choose to use the ruler to make a straight line. Click on the ruler tool in the inking toolbar to bring it up, and click and drag it to where you want to draw, and use your scroll wheel to change its angle. On a touchscreen, use 2 fingers to rotate the ruler. Once the ruler is in place, select the drawing tool of your choice and draw along the ruler. Click on the ruler button again to remove it. Note that you cannot interact with the models when the inking function is active. To close the toolbar, click on the inking button in the menu again. I can now interact with the model. As you can see, anything drawn is static and will not follow along with the model. If you want to save what you have written or drawn, first take a screenshot before moving on. How to take a screenshot varies between computers, but often there is a print screen button on the keyboard. If you want to erase everything you've written or drawn, open the inking toolbar again, select the eraser, and then click on the eraser once again to get the option to erase all ink. To activate the whiteboard function, click on the whiteboard button in the menu. The whiteboard allows you to ink on a solid background with no content, or with a semi-transparent background for clarity. Adjusting the toggles to the left and right changes how transparent the background is, or how dark it is, depending on which of the toggles you adjust. Note that the inking will stay, even when the whiteboard background is changed or removed. That's all for this tutorial. Check out our other videos to learn more. And thank you for using Sensavis.